Hello guys, so now I'm in Puerto Escondido to my hotel right here, and we have like hurricane is coming from Puerto Escondido. So this is the rain at the moment, night time. Hola amigo. And look at my hotel, and a lot of rain. Well, it's night time now, a lot of storms. So this is the hurricane for 2 days, so I have to stay in my hotel tomorrow. I can't go to the beach, and it's really rainy at the moment. So this is the tornado in May 2002 in Puerto Escondido. So go back to my hotel now, and I hope this hurricane goes away as soon as possible. Trying to lock the door, but I can't. Gracias, amigo. Gracias. It's a lot of rain. Right, guys? You all right, mate? So fucking hurricane. So this is my hotel, the rain from the storm. Amigo, el nombre del huracán, ¿cómo se llama? The hurricane, el nombre.
¿Del hotel?
No, del...
¿De aquí?
Sí.
Arena Sur.
No, el huracán, el tornado, ¿cómo se llama?
Puerto.
No, il temporale, come si chiama?
Es un huracán.
Huracán, come? Nome, per favore, perché ogni nome hai...
Sí,
I'm just finding out the guy from the reception is going to tell me what's the name of the hurricane. Nombre...
¿Del huracán?
Sì, perché molti, todos cambiano.
Agatha.
Agatha. Ok, grazie amico. So Storm Agatha in Puerto Escondido. And very rainy. Look for yourself. My hotel room right here. Rain's coming down. Like London, same kind of London weather. So that's the fucking weather in Puerto Escondido. Should be 35 degrees, but today's like 15 probably. So I'll show you the hotel. A lot of rain. Soaking to death. So I'll go back to my room number 6. So this is Hurricane Agatha. So May 2022. Look at the rain, unbelievable. Okay guys, going back to my room. Safe and sound. Bit messy. Okay guys, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll go to the hurricane tomorrow probably. I'll check it out. Good night guys, see you later. My room for £10 a night, £11 a night, come on. Got a toilet, a bit dirty. Nice room, we've got a fan. Maybe tomorrow I have no electric for 2 days because of the hurricane, so we'll see what's it like. This is Puerto Escondido. Near the bus station, 6 minutes walk from the bus station. So you ever come to the hotel, you're welcome. It's quite a good price. There's no hot water, so don't worry about it because of Puerto Escondido. And we are right here. You can see it. It's like the windsurf arena surf hotel. Okay, I'll put it down below down to the link if you want to know. So it's quite a good price, £12 a night, so about 14 euros a night. Kids bathroom and fan and a nice big bed. Hey guys, good night, see you tomorrow. Ciao ciao, adios.